Hello loves, my name is Kay Hill of LockAccessories.com. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to have a little DIY with me. I'm going to bring you along as I transform my studio into, which is actually a second bedroom. So it serves as my studio slash home office slash guest bedroom. It's taking up too much space. I'm feeling a little cluttered, a little closed in here, and the bed behind me is really not getting a lot of use. So what I'm going to do, I don't want to totally do away with the bed, because if guests come over, I want to have a second place for them to sleep or myself to sleep. I'm going to have you join me for a little over-the-shoulder DIY as I swap out this bed behind me, which is actually a day bed, and I'm going to build, or attempt to build, a Murphy bed craft table desk. Murphy bed craft table desk. All the things. Let's get started. Now I'm actually a little embarrassed to show you this room right now because it is a hot mess, and I'll let you see. I have my day bed here, which I actually don't really use, and it just becomes a catch-all. And I don't like that. I also don't like how everything over here, which is my desk, is becoming really cluttered, and I'm feeling a little claustrophobic. So what I'm going to do, like I said, is I'm going to swap out this day bed, and I'm going to build a Murphy bed craft table. So this is a quick little pan of the before. Look at the mess, look at the mess. Oh, lots of mess. And we're going to clean that up. So this is the inspiration for my Murphy bed craft table. I found this picture online, and there were no instructions, no links to how to purchase or where or how to get more access, more information. So I decided to make my own and to draft out some instructions. I did a quick sketch, which you see here, and then mapped out what tools and materials I would need in order to build the Murphy bed craft table. Okay, so now we've cleared out the day bed and gotten it out of the room. And now I've brought in the pieces for the Murphy bed. I surfed Craigslist and found a twin bed, which I'll show you here. And what I'm going to do is, instead of using it as a twin bed, I'm going to turn it on its side to make the Murphy bed. It seems that I have bought the wrong wing nut for putting together the bed. I bought 1/4 inch, and I measured it and it said 1/4 inch, but I guess you're supposed to get a little bit bigger, and I'm not really sure, so I'm going to go back to Home Depot. I'm actually here now, and I'm going to head in and ask for some help. I've got the twin bed frame connected and assembled. You see that I've turned it on its side. And this is a close-up, a really close-up view of the plywood board that I'll be using as the base of the mattress, and you'll see how that comes together shortly. So I'm actually going to use peel and stick laminate for the inside of the base board, or the board that the mattress will rest on, and that's just to avoid splinters and anything, because it's raw wood. So you'll see me here placing that on the inside of the board. This is where the mattress will actually rest. You see how closely I hold the backing to the surface? That's to avoid air pockets and air bubbles that you'll have to fix later. Now I'll be using a 72-inch piano hinge to attach the plywood board to the bottom of the twin bed frame, and that's what's going to automatically turn it into a Murphy bed. And here I kept it real basic. I used bungee cords actually to hold the mattress to the baseboard, and then I attached door stoppers to the bottom so that when you fold it out, it would still have the same height all the way across. Now I'm placing the vinyl boards on the other side of the plywood to give it a more finished look. So I actually had some scrap pieces of leather, and they came in quite handy because I used them to make the straps that are going to hold the hinges, which will keep the platform in an upright position when it's not in use. So as you can see here, I'm making 2 loops just by folding the ends on top of each other, and that's what will be used to hold the hinges when the platform, the bed, is not in use and it's in its upright position. All these little pieces of scraggly blue tape are what I use to keep the vinyl pieces from sliding while the adhesive dries. So now I'm going to take them off. And now you can see the Murphy bed part of the project is finished, and it's finally starting to come together. Here how it looks when the Murphy bed is out and ready for guests. And now we're going to attach the table part of the project. All I did was lay it on top with same adhesive, the flooring adhesive that I used for the vinyl planks. And now it's time for the big reveal. So take a look. This is another one of my Craigslist finds. They actually call me the Craigslist queen around these parts, and it's because I always find great deals on Craigslist. And I just had to have these because I thought that they looked really well. They went really well with the Murphy bed craft table. What do you think?